Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at an important conceptual question about lenses. Here is a diagram of a spectacle frame. In bifocal lenses used for the correction of presbyopia. Option A, the upper portion is of convex lens for near vision and lower part is of concave lens for distant vision. Option B, the upper portion is convex for distant and lower is concave for near. Option C, upper is concave for near, lower is convex for distant. Option D, upper is concave for distant and lower is convex for near vision. Which is correct? Let's analyze the construction of a bifocal lens to find the answer. Let's look at how presbyopia affects the eye and how we correct it. A person suffering from presbyopia may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia simultaneously. Such people often require bifocal lenses, consisting of both concave and convex lenses. First, let's analyze the upper portion. For viewing distant objects, the eye naturally looks straight ahead. The upper portion consists of a concave lens. It facilitates distant vision, correcting the myopic defect. Now, let's analyze the lower portion. For reading or near vision, the eye naturally looks downward. The lower part is a convex lens. It facilitates near vision, correcting the hypermetropic defect. So, what is our final conclusion? The upper portion is a concave lens for distant vision, and the lower part is a convex lens for near vision. Therefore, option D is the perfectly correct answer. Great! We have completely solved this concept. Happy learning!